All right, guys, we're at Road America today. We're going to drive the 2025 Subaru BRZ TS out on track. 228 horsepower, 4-cylinder boxer, limited slip diff in the back. We've got Brembo brakes at all 4 corners. Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. They should do pretty well in the wet today. Never pass up an opportunity to drive a BRZ on a racetrack. I'm sure today this will be a blast. All right, drive position just about perfect, nice and low in the cabin. Steering wheel comes right up to my chest. We're gonna put this in traction control mode. All right, so what else do you need to know about the BRZ TS? We haven't driven this on track yet, but we have driven it on the street. We've got these very nice seats with slightly different inlays, Alcantara, same seat that's in the regular BRZ, a little bit more bolted than the previous generation BRZ. STI engine start-stop button, different trimming and stitching here on the steering wheels and pretty much every surface. It's a nice looking package, and with the blue, I think it works really well with the red accents and the gold calipers. All right, let's set off and see how this feels on track. Brembo brakes feel good. I love how light these cars feel. And I hate the fake piped-in engine noise, but you can quickly turn that off. A little bit greasy around some of these corners, so we gotta watch our throttle inputs, watch out for puddles as well. Do our best to take the rain line today. Good power here from that boxer engine. We'll do a little brake test right here. I just got out of the WRX. It's interesting how similar but different these two cars feel. Hard fuel cut there at about 7,400 RPM. Into ABS, down into second. Front end is just so sharp on this car. Yeah, taking this out to on the track, it does make me miss my BRZ. Great grip in the wet on these Pilot Sport 4 tires. Perfect pedal positioning there for heel-toe downshifts. Be well behaved today. Leave traction control on in this car. These seats are just awesome. All right, guys, BRZ TS on track. A little bit sharper, a little bit flatter. great package here from Subaru. Maybe not as firm and darty as the GR86, but I really like what Subaru's done with the BRZ. I think the tuning here is just about right. Of course, now you've got all these eyesight systems. You've got lane departure warning and all this other stuff that you have to turn off ahead of time. Add some speed under this to cool the brakes. Fun package, and again, one of the best cars to just kind of learn basic driver skills with. If you want a front engine rear-wheel drive platform that to learn with and grow with, it really doesn't get much better than the BRZ. It's forgiving, consumables are cheap, it's not as twitchy as the Miata, it's a little less expensive if you go for a base premium. Couldn't really push too hard today in the wet, but we got enough traction out there and I got enough grip to kind of get a sense for what's going on. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that quick lap around Road America. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.